Hello guys, today I'll be showing Dad's chicken farm. Oh my god, bro. God. So I'm doing this again because when I use my phone, the file got corrupted or whatever because I did not hear my audio going down. This time my dad has a new chicken farm area. Yeah, last time it was down there, but now it's over here. I already saw this, Dad. Chicken farm again.
Look, you can go down, look, it's straight.
Yeah, I know. I saw that before. I was like, wait, it goes down. Last time, because it's so wet here before, it's so hard. I almost slipped. How do I go down? So you only just dig this part? You only dig that part? Oh, there. That's easy. Oh! No, not so chickens. So you're telling me these are chickens? I thought these were roosters. Can you throw the food? Oh no! Send more aid.
This way.
It goes all the way down there?
Yeah.
I did not know that. More chickens inside up there, I think. Hey. Can you send more? I need to clear my path. Yeah, I am definitely not going down there. Some of you don't see it, look. It's all the way down there. The lens in this phone is much more better. Whoa.
It's more easier to feed now.
Why?
It's so near, still near.
So you made the area to go here is more nearer? They can just go down there, right?
So hard. Look, we made a fence there.
Yeah, I know, but they can go down there, right? How are they supposed to go up?
Just walk.
Whoa. I'm going to check the new area here. Yes, definitely new. Like the old one. So tight. Everything's near. Any eggs? Wait, did I actually open the flashlight? Whoa. No eggs. Eggs here? No. Egg here? Eggs here? Oh, there's more eggs here. No eggs. Hey, Dad. I spotted the egg. There's only one container has eggs. Yeah, there's only one area where there's eggs over here. Only one.
Yeah, what I already did.
Oh, there's one up there too.